I want to talk to you now about what you're going to cover in this section, which is all about diving even deeper into the hook and the introduction. I hope by now you've got your webinar presentation at least beginning to come together in draft. So now I want to take you in the next sections of the course, starting with this one, and dive even deeper into the hook and the introduction. And don't forget, the introduction is nothing to do with introducing yourself. It's the section of the webinar presentation where you build your credibility, where you really get your audience to know who you are and why you're such a great authority. And the purpose of this section is to take you that next level deeper, and you can then really start to add some meat to your own webinar presentation. And there's an activity at the end of this section where I want you to actually take that time out and to work on this section of the presentation while all this is still fresh in your mind. You can go back obviously and revise it later on, but if you build your presentation incrementally and you build your and write your webinar incrementally, you'll find it much easier to do so. So we're now going deeper still into the hook and into the introduction, and I hope you're going to find lots of rich detail in this section, which is going to help you to really put together a fantastic webinar presentation.